Hi everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. Today I am going to finish up my series of basic crochet tutorials. Today I'm going to show you a stitch called the half double crochet stitch, and it's usually abbreviated in patterns HDC. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this camera around and show you how this stitch is done. I'm working today in a yarn from one of my favorite yarn companies. This is Ancient Art Yarns Lasco. So if you're looking for some great yarn, they're a wonderful company to get yarn from. Alright, but I would like to show you how to do the half double crochet stitch. So when you work in half double crochet stitch, I've got my chain here. I'm going to skip the first two chains. So I'll yarn over and go into the third chain from my hook. Bring the yarn across the front of my hook, pull that through the chain, wrap the yarn around to the front, and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go through the next chain, bring the yarn across the front of my hook, pull that through the chain, wrap the yarn around my hook, and pull that through all 3 loops. I'm going to continue across my chain and half double crochet stitch, and I'll work slowly so that you can see several times how it's done. And I'm at my last chain now. So I will go into this chain. I'd like to show you how it goes if I'm going to continue working in half double crochet stitch for another row. So it doesn't matter if you chain first or turn first, but I'm going to chain first, 2 chains, and then I'm going to turn my work this way so that I'm ready to work back across the top of it. Yarn over. The place that I'm going to go in here, you can kind of see there's a strand here and a strand here. If I turn it this way, you can see strands here. The place that I'm going to go into the stitch is right here, right in between these 2 strands that you can see, right there. But the stitch is worked the same. even though I'm going now into the tops of my stitches instead of into my chains. And the last one, it can be a little hard to tell sometimes where the last one is. One thing to recognize about half double crochet stitches is that the body of the stitch is here and the top of the stitch is slightly to the left of that when you're looking at the wrong side of it. The other part that you're seeing over here are those two chains that I skipped at the beginning. So I'm going to go in right here, and that is the last one for this row. Alright, and that is half double crochet stitch. This is how my 2 rows look completed. I want to be sure that you check the description box for links to where you can find the beautiful work of Ancient Art Yarns. Also check the description box for a link to my website where you can see my latest patterns and how-to articles. Also, if you would prefer a photo tutorial on how to do the half double crochet stitch, I have a blog post specifically about that, and I'm going to share that link in the description box as well, and also a link to where you can subscribe to my newsletter so that you will get a twice monthly newsletter to tell you about all the latest that's happening on my blog and social media channels. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments and tell me the things that you are wanting to learn. And also, please remember to share this video with your crocheting friends. Thank you.